Okay, so when we're trying to find a missing angle in a triangle, we have to remember that all angles in a triangle equal 180 degrees always. So knowing that, we could write an equation that says 35 plus, now what does this box down here in the corner mean? That tells us that's our right triangle, which we know is 90 degrees plus x equals 180. So we can add this up, combine like terms. 90 plus 35 would be 125 plus x equals 180. Now, think about what we're going to do from here. What's in the way of x over here? 125. So we've got to take 125 from both sides. Remember, if we do it to one side, we've got to do it to the other. And so that's going to leave us, come over here and do the math. Angle X is 55 degrees. Now I want you to think about it. How could we check this? Okay, yeah, we could take 90 plus 35 plus 55, and it would have to equal 180. It's kind of ugly. And so that's 90 plus 90 equals 180. So I know that it's correct.